2, 1.
First destination on my year-long trip around the world was Tamarindo, Costa Rica. Here we say Playa Danta, a place not too far away. To ease into the craziness of solar travel on a recommendation from a friend, I joined a free and easy traveler tour group. Costa Rica is known for its huge diversity of plants and animals. It has 5% of the world's biodiversity, but only 0.03% of its landmass. It's home to over 500,000 different species of animals, plants, and fungi, 300,000 of which are insects. Seriously, there are bugs everywhere. Costa Rica does a good job of protecting its biodiversity. 27% of its land is in protected reserves. It is regarded as one of the most environmentally friendly countries. It has a 97% literacy rate, which is due in part to the fact that they broadcast educational courses by radio to rural areas. I have to wonder if the fact that they have no standing army contributes to the wise use of government funding. And now a message from our fake sponsors.
¿Conoces los 4 grados de erección?
And now back to Chef Eddie's cooking show, A Walk in the Park.
Chef Eddie, what do you got for us, brother?
We got some chorizo, we got some hash browns in the works, right here. It's like it's kind of long here. We got, in here we have some red peppers, jalapenos, garlic, onion, tomatoes, and all this is going for some nice breakfast burritos, even though it's almost noon, but it'll be good.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, and don't forget the eggs.
Huevos.
Now to our local correspondent, me from the past, and a street puppy. Silly puppy. So yesterday we took the bus from Tamarindo, about 4.5 hours. Now we're in Santa Teresa. We're on the beach again, and today we're going to get on some horses and go on a horseback ride, which I've never done before, so another item to knock off the bucket list. Hola, hello.
Quick facts about leafcutter ants. There are 3 kinds of leafcutter ants: the queen, the soldier, and the worker. Soldier ants are really big and they defend the colony. Worker ants come in 5 different flavors: forager ants, gardener ants, leafcutter ants, leaf deliverer ants, and fungus-tending ants. The ants grow a garden of fungus using the leaves. Leafcutter ants.
Josh, where are we going? We're gonna go to Montezuma, where we're gonna climb up a crazy mountain and jump off some waterfalls.
We're gonna jump off a mountain?
No, we're not gonna jump off a mountain. We're just gonna climb up and jump off some waterfalls.
Woo!
Yeah.
Right? We got Ryan at the top. He's about to jump down this massive waterfall here. And you can see Fink and Patrick standing nearby, just to give you an idea of the height. Josh is about 6 foot. Yeah! Yippee-ki-yay!
Thanks for watching. If you've made it this far into the video, you're probably going to want to subscribe for more awesomeness. Next week, I continue my trip around Costa Rica. Free and easy travel, and we get some more shenanigans, including bungee jumping, Tarzan playing, zip lining, animal sanctuaries. We'll see. Just tune in next week.